Guys, I'm back again with an update on the trade that I gave you guys on Friday. Right, so since today is bank holiday, I decided to just give you an update on this trade and what's been happening. Right, so when I sent the chart, we had closed this candle and we're painting this candle. Right, so I did predict. Let's try and see how I got into this trade. All right, there. So I'm gonna go to. I used the M30 time frame. Right there. Okay, let's clear and then zoom out. There we go. Right. So yes. Right. This is what I was saying. All right. If you watched the previous video, it's still there. You could actually go through it and find something useful that you can be able to use to add to your analysis. Right. So here we did trade lower to take out sell side liquidity, which is just here. All right. And we created a swing low. Right, so if you remember, a swing low as a candle that's got all right, a higher low on one side and a higher low on the other side, like that. So it's a 3-candle pattern. Right, this in itself is called a swing low. Right, so we do create that right there. We've got a swing low, we've got the candle that is low here, right, a higher low and a higher low on the other side. Right, that creates a swing low. Right, so in here, I would be watching here, right, as my structure, and then as soon as this candle closes, right, I'll be watching here as my structure as well. So what this price does, it goes high. It doesn't go high enough to take out buy side liquidity and break structure. Instead, they do go low and break structure on the lower side. Right. So as soon as this, your structure goes right there, or you can mark it out. Right. Let it be visible for you so that it helps you decide when to get into this trade. All right. So there you could take, you could use this as one swing, but actually it is not. Okay, so let me show you. Let me show you. All right, in here, I'm going to zoom in right there. Okay, right. So in here, you can see how this candle has got a lower high. We've got the highest candle right there, and we've got another candle. What does this create for you? This creates a swing high. All right, so let's zoom out again and get back to where we were. Right, just like that, almost. Right, just like that. Okay, so there we go. We create our swing high. Our structure now goes here. Okay. They come down, they create another swing low, but eventually they go and they break the structure, taking out buy stops above here. And with a structure that is broken in here, right, you can extend it on the outward, right? You could use these last 2 down close candles as your bullish order block, and you wait now for price to return and activate you, which then they do. They get in there, they don't even stay anywhere in there, they reject and they trade higher. Right, so currently we're about 60 pips into profit, right, on the main trade. And if you had gotten into the trade early, you still would have managed to add the other half of the trade, as I explained in the previous video. Right, so as it is, you've got 2 trades open, right? And with the first trade, I would suggest that if you don't want to hold all the way to take profit right there, just break even and hold, because what do we have here? We now have an area of sell stops, and we're approaching, yes, we're still 3 hours away, roughly 3 hours away from true day close, right? So we could still see price do that, creating a range, right? Which now, if well, when they do open the following day, they open, they come, they take out sell side liquidity, and then they trade high, probably closing somewhere there if they do not have enough momentum, or even higher to take out take profit 2 and take profit 3 levels. Right, so as it is in your two trades, break even bought trades and also pay yourself, because we've got a swing high here, price just traded above it. That's a good logical area for you to take something off the trade. All right, now this is where we are, and I still believe that we could see price continue to trade higher overally. Right, so this is what I have for you guys on Euro USD update for the trade I gave you on Friday, and yeah, that's it from me. I don't think I'm going to send any other pair today, but tomorrow, as soon as the market opens, we are going to continue the analysis. If you need to add more entries into this trade, or to let them just close you out, whatever the case, we're still here. Right, so this is what I have for you guys. Enjoy and have a lovely Monday.